How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So as you can see, we're gonna start wrapping the car. You see in one of the episodes that I did before, fender is done. Yesterday I was working on the doors. I already removed the trim. That trim is being wrapped already. I'm start removing in the plastic dip. So it's gonna take me a little while to remove all the plastic dip, and it's not easy to remove it. But I already cleaned all this part. Rear door, front door is being cleaned. As you can see, I removed the mirror. That one's out. This panel is already out, and I had to remove the trim just to make sure that I was gonna put the wrap all the way here. Then I put the trim, and then you're not gonna see the seam, and the wrap is gonna be protected. It's not gonna peel off. But I break one of the tabs, so it's not easy to remove this trim, but I remove it. I'm gonna paint it black with plastic dip too, just to keep it fresh. That one broke too, so I think for the next step, I think for the doors on this one, I'm just gonna leave the trim because it's harder to remove on this side. On the back it's a little bit easier. On the front, as you can see, so I already cleaned all that up. On the mirror too, like I said before, mirrors are gonna be painted, so I don't want to wrap that. That's really difficult. I'm not a professional, like I said before, but I'm gonna start working on my other door so I can remove all the plastic dip. Removing the door handles, just you gotta go inside the door. So you gotta go inside the door, couple screws in there. Once you remove the little screws, you can remove the door handle. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna remove the rear panel too. That's the trim right there, and that's the front door panel. Gotta remove this one screw there, one screw there, then clips all the way around just to pull it out. I'm gonna do that right now, and everything is being cleaned, making sure that all the doors inside, everything here was really nasty. All that is clean, because when we apply the wrap, this part has to be clean so you have a good bond when you fold the wrap. So let me go ahead and remove the rear panel, and then I can start just get everything ready for the wrap. You can see rear door panel is out, and you have to do this, guys, if you want to remove the door handles, because you're gonna have to remove the door handles so they can be wrapped or painted. I don't want to show you that I finished these two doors and then next week the other two doors. I'm just gonna show you when I get done with these two doors. Same thing, same process for the other two doors. So, and then after finishing the doors, I'm just gonna do the rear quarter panels and the roof, which I'm not gonna show you because I'm not gonna do it today. My time is limited. So like I said, I don't want to show you this process and then the week after showing you another process on the roof or the rear quarter panels. I already had the material. The material was delivered 2 days ago, and I'm just gonna finish this, and then and probably next month you're gonna see the whole wrap done. Because like I said, I don't want to just do this right now and I post it, and then next month I post the other thing. No, I'm just gonna show you how to do this, because this is gonna be probably, if you want to do a wrap, it's gonna be the most difficult part. Like this trim, my recommendation, clean really well underneath and then put your wrap on it. If you want to remove it, you might break the clips and you're gonna have to go get new clips. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and get new clips, and it's gonna take me all day to remove the plastic dip. So okay, guys, so new update. I spent about 20 minutes trying to remove the door handles, and I try and I try, and for some reason it's tight. I can't pull it out. It's really tight space in there. I can't put my hand on it and try to remove the bolts and get everything out. I get most of the things out of it, but like I said, there has been a change of plans. It's loose, so I can just pull it out while I put the wrap and just put the wrap inside and then close it again. Because to remove the door handles, especially the one on the back, is really tight space. I don't know how they remove them, and I don't even want to go and check it and do my research. I'm just gonna put the spray on it because, like I said before, mirrors, bumpers, and door handles, they're really hard to wrap, and I'm just gonna paint them. So I paint them already. I'm gonna remove all the plastic dip around and just put the wrap. So that's gonna be the quick, easy way, guys. Like I said, this is a project that I just want to get it done because the paint is so ugly. So don't hate me on this, okay? I'm doing it my way. And like I said, you know, some people have wraps and have different colors and the door handles, mirrors, like a little accents to the car. So I'm not mad about it. I'm saving a lot of time by just not removing them because I remove all the bolts, everything is in there, and they're loose. I cannot touch it right now because the plastic is still wet, but everything is loose, so that's gonna allow me just to put the wrap inside and close it, and it's gonna look really good. So I finish with the plastic dip on both. I'm gonna let it get dry, and then I start removing all the plastic dip around, and which is gonna take me pretty much all day. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna show you a little bit of the um, wrap when it gets applied to the doors, because as soon as I remove all the plastic dip, that's just, it's gonna be easy because it's a flat panel. And this trim, I removed it yesterday. It has adhesive in it, which I just got, you gotta break the adhesive, and then you just gotta move the trim back and forward so it came with all the clips. Unfortunately, I break one of the clips on the front, so I gotta replace that too. But other than that, the only problem is that it has adhesive. You have to break all the adhesive first, and then you can start removing the trim, which the trim is already being wrapped. I used the wrap on it. I didn't paint them, so that's gonna look really good once I put all the wrap on the doors. I just gotta put them back together, and it's gonna look really good. But those are being wrapped already. This is almost done. Then I can just start cleaning everything around and start putting my wrap. So that's the trim done right there. This is the new wrap. I'm gonna start by wrapping. Once I get everything cleaned up, I'm gonna start by wrapping the bottom part, which I can do on two sections, or I can just do one big sheet. I might just do one big sheet and cover everything, and then I move to this one. You can see these panels are really easy. Just gotta go down all the way, make sure that I cut with a brand new knife, everything the right way. But if you can see now, yeah, also I didn't know if I mentioned, but the sticker bomb, I finished it the other day, so this is done, and car start looking really good. So I just gotta go down, use my heat gun to avoid bubbles, because I have some bubbles right here. But this is it's not really bad quality on the wrap, because it has air release, so it's not gonna, it all, if it has bubbles, they're gonna come out, as you can see right there. So it's looking really good with the wrap. Use some heat just to make sure the ends they stay right, and wrap is gonna get done hopefully by, I would say, because I'm not gonna finish everything today, I already know it takes time, but because I'm not gonna finish today, I gotta take my time and do it right. I'm gonna finish these two doors today. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna finish the other two and the roof. You can see, guys, this one I just cut it on top because the trim is gonna go here, so it's not straight, but kind of like it doesn't matter. Problem was to fold the wrap on this side. I still had to work on this part. I cut a little bit in the middle so I can put my trim back on. To be honest, I wasn't able to remove all the plastic dip from the bottom because it's really difficult. It's gonna take me forever, so I just kind of like a wrap on top of it, and I don't mind because I'm just trying to cover, but at the same time I want to do it right, but that takes time. This car is not going to any show. It's not a show car. This is my daily. I just want to make it look a little bit better. Okay, guys, so everything is in place. I put the trim back on. I paint it. You can see it looks a lot better than that one. In this one I didn't paint it. I put all the wrap inside. So just what I did is I put the screwdriver, push the trim out, and then with my squeegee I will just put in the wrap inside, and it looks really good, but it still have some plastic dip in here. It's gonna bother me for a little while, but what I'm gonna do is I might just, instead of painting these because they get all really bad, what I'm gonna do is gonna put wrap on this part. So I'm gonna black out the right way all the trim on this car. So that one looks really good. I just put it back on. So you can see, the only thing, like I said, I break some of these blue clips, but they went inside really good. Then I just had to put that screw inside just to finish the trim, put everything back on. So there you have it, guys. I finished the two doors. Now the car, it looks, man, I can't wait to finish it. To be honest, I can't wait to finish it because this thing is gonna look a lot better flat black. What you think, guys? I like it. I'm gonna do another episode maybe tomorrow when I work on my brakes. I'm gonna do some upgrades just for the rears now. So I'm gonna show you a new tool that I have. So I'm gonna work on the brakes, new brakes. I'm gonna do some stuff on it because we're blacking out this car, so something else is coming for tomorrow. So that's it for this episode, guys. I gotta go and edit this episode, finish it, post it, and tomorrow we're gonna start working on the brakes, and hopefully in a couple weeks wrap is done. So I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.